The last leaf. A sudden case of pneumonia makes Johnsy lose hope. She lies in bed, counting ivy leaves outside her window, believing she will die when the last leaf falls. However, an unexpected miracle is quietly unfolding. The artistic haven. West of Washington Square there is a Greenwich Village. Artists love it for its creative vibe and special location. Two young painters, Sue and Johnsy, come here to chase their dreams in art together. Illness strikes. As autumn arrives, it brings not only colorful leaves but also merciless pneumonia. Johnsy falls ill and becomes bedridden. Despite Sue's constant care, Johnsy shows no signs of improvement. The doctor's diagnosis. Sue calls the doctor, who says Johnsy is in bad condition, and more seriously, she seems to have lost her desire for life. Ivy leaves. After the doctor leaves, Sue finds Johnsy counting ivy leaves outside their window, declaring she'll die when the last leaf falls. Difficult times. As autumn winds strip the ivy, Johnsy worsens. Sue is busy taking care of Johnsy and working on her drawings to make a living. There comes a chance that she asks her neighbor Behrman to be a model to help with her work. Behrman's derision. When Sue mentions Johnsy's condition, the usually gruff old painter becomes emotional and mocks Johnsy's ideas with red eyes. Out of gratitude, Sue doesn't argue with him. The last leaf. On a cold, rainy night, only one ivy leaf remains clinging to the brick wall. Johnsy firmly believes that when this last leaf falls, her life will end with it. The leaf of hope. The next morning, Sue draws back the curtains with trembling hands. To their amazement, the stubborn leaf still hangs on. Sue is overjoyed, and Johnsy's face brightens with a long-absent smile. Fortunes change. When the doctor visits again, he is pleasantly surprised by Johnsy's marked improvement. This news delights all three, and Johnsy even begins to talk about future artistic plans. A new beginning on C is Queen O'Oyer. Smee starts L walk out of the apartment with Sue's assistance. Though Johnsy's steps are still unsteady, the light of life is rekindled in her eyes. Great masterpiece. Johnsy accidentally passes by Behrman's room and unexpectedly discovers an amazing truth that the tenacious leaf turned out to be the masterpiece of Behrman. He had drawn it all night, braving the cold. The discovery brought tears to Johnsy's eyes. Spring's new chapter. Spring passes and autumn arrives again. Johnsy fully gets rid of the disease. As she and Sue sit on a park bench drawing leaves, they often miss Behrman, grateful for the vitality and hope he brings.